This kind of layout instantly makes your content feel more polished before anyone even reads it. Today, how to create modern editorial frames. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1350 vertical canvas. Start by inserting one large portrait frame and place it slightly off-center to create an editorial-style composition. Upload your image and drag it inside, adjusting the crop carefully so the subject feels dominant and clean. Add one smaller supporting frame near the edge to balance the design visually. Select the background and apply a muted neutral gradient or soft beige tone. Duplicate the main frame, enlarge it slightly, and place it behind with reduced opacity to create subtle layered depth. Add thin geometric lines